You have a song?
My song was in the movie.
Which one?
Insecure. But, easy there. You see, my energy's a little different this time around. You should cut how excited and prestigious I was from my first movie.
But I have a speaking role in this movie. Yeah! I'm in this movie right here. Come on. I'm in this movie. I have speaking lines in this film.
I learned my lesson. I'll just be happy to enjoy the movie. If I happen to pop up in there, great.
You have to be there by 7?
Red carpet starts at 7, the movie starts at 7:45. Personally, I don't want to be the first one to go down the red carpet today. But
Remember what happened last time?
Do you want to talk to me or?
No, we're good. We're taking pictures of me now.
Wait, you? What about me? Can I take a picture with you?
Hold on 1 second.
I don't want to be the last person to go down the red carpet either.
I remember the first time you went down that red carpet. It was
a good red carpet experience.
It was.
Very humbling.
This is my first red carpet experience. You know, just hold on 1 second.
Hold on 1 second.
I learned my lesson. How are you doing, man? Where have you been at?
You got a new rug?
Yeah, I got a new circle rug.
What is it supposed to be? It looks like a...
What do you mean, what is it supposed to be? It's a rug.
You know those like jawbreakers?
What?
That like kids used to...
Gobstoppers?
Yeah, whatever.
It's a nice carpet, alright? I have to put it, in the right spot. Still doing a lot of construction in here. You want me to be dramatic, like...
No, great.
Oh!
Did you really hit something?
Oh!
What did you hit? The shoe rack? Watch your head. What did you hit?
I don't know.
Maybe it was that.
What happened? I mean, I was trying to be funny for the video. What? I actually think I know what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear a polo again. I know, it's not even in here, it's in here. Ta-da! Hey.
Nice.
Everybody can't do this. So I just kind of knock on wood.
Right.
It's too good to be true.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to do a little bit of a casual, but still like, hey, I put some thought here, but
Yeah.
I'm chilling.
Yeah. On the rug, on the new rug. Whoa. Oh, don't hurt your other elbow.
Like that. Yeah, so the Phillies just clinched the World Series. So the whole city's in a frenzy right now. Shout out to the Phillies, baby. I hope by the time this video drops, they've won the World Series. If they have, woo! If they haven't, big shout out to the Phillies for getting that far anyway. But yeah, the city is a freaking frenzy right now. We had to get out of our Uber early, literally just in the middle of the street because like 100 cops just blocked the road while we were in our car. So we're just gonna walk the rest of the way. This is Brandon, the director, the man.
I just want the necklace.
You guys say hi to the
I just want the necklace.
right here. Coming in hot. We just walked in. It's already going. I didn't want to miss it. The crew's here. I'm so happy to see everybody, the staff, the actors, the directors, the producers. I gotta get some flicks real quick. Everybody looks super dope.
Right here.
Yo, this is my vlog. This is the star of Rittenhouse right here.
And Deron Jones right here. We at the Philadelphia Film Society for the premiere of Rittenhouse. Come on, Rittenhouse Square. We out here.
Remember this face right here.
Hopefully
This
he's doing
guy,
big things, baby.
very talented.
This guy's a star right here, though.
No.
Don't sleep.
That's
Don't
him.
sleep.
That's him. Like, I need you guys to understand how long I've known this guy, and
I was doing wedding videos and he was doing bar mitzvahs. That's how long we've known each other.
And to have a full circle moment to see this guy produce a full feature film at this high level, all starting with you at the top, bro, and then for you to even extend like love to me and put me in the film. And this is, I'm like getting emotional, bro. I'm super proud of you, bro. Like, I love you and I'm proud of you. This is me. Congratulations.
I've admired this guy. This is gonna stay. Zoom in on the. It's very mutual, Christian.
Yeah, I really
He's
mean
Christian,
it.
I'm
I really
Jewish.
mean it. I really mean it, seriously.
So happy.
Proud of this guy. I'm excited to see it. I tried to get the like sneak too. Like I kept hitting him on the side, like, yo, let me like see it. Like, come on, we're friends. He wouldn't let me see it. He wouldn't even send me like a little clip. Like he's been like all the way through. Like, so seeing it for the first time, just like everybody else. I'm having a little PTSD because this is how excited I was at my first movie premiere, and then I watched it and I wasn't in it. So I'm nervous a little bit that I'm gonna watch this one and I'm cut out, but I'm gonna try to stay positive this time. At least this time I'm ready. Yo, you guys say what's up to my blog. I will. This is the star of the film. She's fly. She's super talented. What? Wait. Why can I not give you a... Wait, she just asked me about... Do you even know my name? No, that's not my name. My name's Kyle. My name's Kyle.
Kyle? I was about to say, wait, no.
What?
I thought your name was like Cece.
Cece?
Like Cece.
That's a girl name.
Like
Cecilia?
Christian.
No. I'm just messing with you. My name's Christian.
No,
I'm Christian. No, you messed up my intro, but anyway, can you say something to my blog? She's super talented, yo. I'm just gonna hit y'all with a couple poses. I'm still not good at this.
Yeah, wait.
What is it? Oh, I'm in it? Should I just jump in the photo with them? I was joking, but I would love to take a picture with y'all. This is my vlog, so I'm trying to be funny. Yeah. Just take it with us.
I'm not getting down there.
Yeah.
Did a weird like type.
Okay.
Now you gotta do that. Okay. There you go. Oh, what's this? Yeah. Oh, wait, what do you want? Yeah. From production, just favorite moment.
One of my favorite moments was when me and Nick were walking down towards Art Museum, and he was like, pass the water, and I was like, you're so Philly, it's gross.
I think that was an ad-lib.
That was an ad-lib too.
See this face right here? You see the difference in my demeanor? I did it, baby. I didn't get cut out of a movie. Yes! You gotta cut back to how I was after the last premiere and then cut back to how I am right now. My scene was dope. My lines got cut out. I'm a little heartbroken about that, but I still get some FaceTime. So it's still a visual, baby. I feel great. It was cool. It was so cool. I feel good, man. It was great. It's a huge success. I'm proud of Brandon. He did a great job with the movie. The actors did a phenomenal job in the movie. I'm lucky to be a part of it. I'm glad I had some lines, I had some music. It was cool seeing my name in the credits and my song in the credits. It's double time in the credits. Boom. I don't have anything else to say. All I really have is a smile right now. I'm just really happy. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go home, eat some pizza, start eating healthy again tomorrow. Tonight we celebrate, baby. I'm a movie star now!